dwe mar Migago. Kinde ni ma yiero maduong' kayo higa manyien, moko jotelo mag siasa e gwenge mag Imbo mar Kenya oyango kweth manyien mabiro bawo kampen gi ageto mane oyier jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e tielo mar ariyo. Kane gitwak e boma ma Kakamega, jotelo gotelni kod governor e county no ma Bungoma Ken Lusaka kod jood bura masiro piny owacho ma Nywanda wacho ni dwaro margi en manyo ombulu ne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
Different Kenya Kwanza, but elected governor, that's those who are coordinating. Kwa kauli moja ama namna gani? Mbili. Lakini mbunge wangu anaenda long term. Sababu
we are not saying two term just for the sake of it. We are saying two term because of what we are doing. Na kwa hivyo tukitoka hapa, we want to be positive. Don't talk about negative things. We want to talk about our achievements as a government. So we are saying, as a team, you now become ambassadors wa Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Everywhere that we go, kule Bungoma, Vihiga, kila mahali, Trans Nzoia na kila mahali, we become ambassadors to ensure that William Ruto gets his term.
So the agenda of today's meeting is to organize and arrange Western Kenya for Ruto 2027. Tunataka tutandaze ground kabisa Western, tupigie Ruto kura zote.
Western region tumekaribia presidency. Tumeikaribia. Tusivunje mtungi kwa mlango saidi tumekaribia. Let us support William Samoei Ruto's re-election for 2027.
Even if you look at the opposition, is there anybody there who is formidable, who can wrestle William Samoei out? Are you seeing any? That's a confused group.
Sisi watu ODM pia tunaweka strong structures wapi? Kwa ODM, when we have two parties with strong structures in a region, then we are sure of delivery.